morning, everybody. This is day number 2 of my road trip to Minnesota from Arizona. If you didn't watch my last video, you would just assume that I'm flying somewhere. I am in my hotel room here in Grand Junction, Colorado. Drove from Arizona to here last night. Now it's morning. I'm gonna try. I don't know for sure. I just wing it, and I think I'm gonna be going to Omaha, Nebraska, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm going somewhere today. We'll find out. Anyways, so yeah, if you're watching this and didn't watch my last video, this is not going to be an actual flight attendant vlog. However, I'm a flight attendant, so I probably put it in the title or something like that, so sue me. Anyways, there won't be any flying in this one. The only flying that's going to be going on is me flying down the road because I don't want to be in the car for 12 hours. So I'm all packed up, ready to go. And let's do this. So that was really cool. I just happened to pull off onto this scenic overlook here, as you can totally see with how, there you go. Totally happened to just pull off onto this overlook as this old school train is going down in the river valley. Super, super cool. Definitely glad I stopped. I can hear the horn. Maybe you can hear it. Oh, and I'm about 1 hour from Denver, and I texted one of my buddies that lives there and is based there, also a flight attendant, and we're gonna go have lunch and maybe a beer or two at a local brewery, so looking forward to that too. All right, and there we have it. I just left Denver, had some lunch and a couple beers with my buddy Sam, who actually was a classmate of mine when we went through flight attendant training. So we've known each other for a few years now. But anyways, the rest of the drive, obviously if you've been watching my videos, you'll see that I started in Arizona. I'm going to Minnesota. I just passed through Denver. Now from Denver all the way through the rest of Colorado, let's see what's next, Nebraska and South Dakota until I cross into Minnesota. If you know anything about geography, it is going to be the most boring drive you have ever seen. So I won't have all these cool shots of all the cool scenic things that I've been seeing for the first half of the drive. You're just gonna have to trust me, it is boring. In fact, let me turn this camera around. This is the view. There is gonna be nothing to see. You know, right now we're actually lucking out because we're in some civilization. However, for the rest of the drive, it will just be farm fields and nothing to see. So, probably won't get much more scenic views. My plan right now, I still don't know where I'm gonna be stopping. And you know what? I'm by myself. I really don't care. I might just sleep in the front seat of the car. I'm not picky when it comes to that stuff. I don't need to spoil myself. It's just me. If I had somebody with me, yeah, I'd want to show off a little bit and try to, you know. But, oh, there's a dog in the truck next to me. Anyways, yeah, we'll see where I stop. I'm going to definitely have to stop for gas one more time for the night, and then maybe another energy drink. But, yeah, we'll see. I'm just winging it here. This is what the Midwest looks like. So with that being said, while we're sitting here with nothing to look at and nothing to talk about, I just wanted to say I really like it when you guys comment and stuff on these videos, because I really like engaging with people, and I think it's really interesting that people find this interesting. I don't know what you got going on, but if you find this interesting, thank you, because I'm glad you're here. So anyways, I'm gonna keep driving, and we'll see if I come across anything interesting. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I just like an hour ago hit a whopping 250 subscribers. You thought I was gonna say 250,000, but nope, 250 people are watching this at least. So thank you guys so much. I might not come across anything else interesting to look at for the rest of the day. So if not, I will update you when I get to my hotel, if and when I get to my hotel, wherever I end up going. So good night.